Here I have POCO X4 GT, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, of course, then go to its settings and go to the watermark. So firstly you have to enable device mode of watermark, and here you can add your custom text. You can only add like 14 characters max. So you can enter whatever you want, like you can enter your real name, you can enter some nickname, I don't know, maybe name of someone who inspires you. So I'm just gonna be HardReset.Info and show you how it will look like on a photo. So as you can see, here I have my custom watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.